Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Continuing our quest to find an honest mechanic, Part 2 dives into the remaining 7 crucial signs to look for when seeking automotive expertise. Stick with us to complete the checklist that ensures you're partnering with a mechanic committed to your vehicle's well-being. Professional responsive communication. When evaluating the honesty of your mechanic, one crucial aspect to consider is their level of responsive communication. A trustworthy mechanic will ensure that they promptly return your calls, reply to your emails, and address any concerns or questions you may have regarding your vehicle. In addition, they should offer clear and detailed explanations about the repairs or maintenance required, ensuring that you are well informed throughout the process. Professional demeanor. A mechanic's professional demeanor can provide valuable insight into their honesty and reliability. From the initial interaction to the completion of the service, a reputable mechanic will maintain a respectful, courteous, and professional approach. This includes being punctual for appointments, maintaining a clean and organized workspace, and treating customers with integrity and transparency. Their willingness to listen to your concerns and provide thoughtful recommendations also reflects their commitment to professionalism and customer satisfaction. Consistency in service. Maintaining consistent quality and service is a key attribute of an honest mechanic. Honest mechanics ensure that the quality of their work remains unwavering, regardless of the type of service or repair needed. This translates to using high-quality parts, performing thorough inspections, and delivering reliable workmanship. Maintain consistent quality. An honest mechanic takes pride in delivering consistent and reliable quality across all services. Whether it's a simple oil change, brake repair, or a complex engine overhaul, a trustworthy mechanic ensures that the standard of work remains consistently high. They use genuine parts, follow industry best practices, and pay attention to the details that matter. Timely completion of work. An important aspect of consistency is the timely completion of work. Honest mechanics value their customers' time and understand the inconvenience that can come with vehicle repairs. They strive to complete work promptly while maintaining the quality of service. This means sticking to agreed-upon timelines, efficiently managing workflow, and communicating effectively if any unexpected delays arise. By maintaining consistent quality and timely completion of work, honest mechanics demonstrate their commitment to providing reliable and trustworthy service to their customers. Customer involvement. Encouraging customer involvement is a crucial step in ensuring honest and transparent communication with your mechanic. When your mechanic takes the time to involve you in the inspection process and explains the necessary repairs in a way that you can understand, it fosters trust and transparency. Look for a mechanic who welcomes your questions and is willing to explain things in detail, ensuring that you feel confident and informed about the services being provided. Seek customer approval for additional work. A trustworthy mechanic will always seek your approval before carrying out any additional work beyond the initially agreed-upon services. Whether it's discovering an unexpected issue during an inspection or recommending preventive maintenance, a reliable mechanic will explain the situation to you and provide a detailed breakdown of the proposed work. This ensures that you have the final say in authorizing any additional services, empowering you to make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repair needs. Use of OEM or quality aftermarket parts. Ensuring that your mechanic uses original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts or high-quality aftermarket parts is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your vehicle. OEM parts are specifically designed for your vehicle's make and model, guaranteeing a precise fit and reliable performance. On the other hand, reputable aftermarket parts can offer similar quality and durability at a more affordable price point. A trustworthy mechanic will discuss these options with you, providing recommendations based on your budget and vehicle needs. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Transparency in parts sourcing. An honest mechanic will be transparent about where they source their parts from. They should be able to provide information about the origin and quality of the parts being used in your vehicle. Whether it's OEM parts directly from the manufacturer or aftermarket parts from a reputable supplier, your mechanic should readily address any questions or concerns you may have regarding the parts being installed in your vehicle. This transparency instills confidence in the quality of the parts being used and demonstrates the mechanic's commitment to honesty and integrity. Clean and organized workshop. A trustworthy mechanic's workshop will be well organized, with tools and equipment neatly arranged and labeled for easy access. This demonstrates a high level of professionalism and attention to detail. Technicians who take pride in their workspace are likely to carry that same level of care into their work on your vehicle, ensuring precision and thoroughness in their repairs. Clean and accessible customer area. When you walk into the customer area of an honest mechanic's shop, you should be met with a clean and inviting space. This area should be well maintained, reflecting the shop's commitment to providing a comfortable environment for customers while their vehicles are being serviced. A mechanic who takes care of the customer area is likely to extend that same level of care to the service they provide for your vehicle. Respect for customer decisions. Every vehicle owner deserves a mechanic who respects their decisions while providing expert advice. Here's what to look for. Respect customers' budget. A trustworthy mechanic understands that not all customers have a bottomless pit of funds. They should be willing to work within your budget, offering cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Look for a mechanic who is transparent about pricing and is open to discussing alternatives that fit your financial constraints. No pressure to make immediate decisions. A reliable mechanic will never rush you into making on-the-spot decisions. Instead, they will provide you with a detailed explanation of the issue and the available repair options. This allows you to take the time you need to consider the best course of action for your vehicle without feeling pressured. By finding a mechanic who respects your budget and allows you to make decisions at your own pace, you can be confident that your vehicle is in the hands of an honest professional. Honesty about limitations. Admit to limitations. It's crucial for a mechanic to be transparent about their limitations. A trustworthy mechanic will readily admit if a certain repair job is beyond their expertise or equipment capabilities. This honesty demonstrates integrity and a commitment to delivering quality service. Provide referrals for specialized work. When a mechanic acknowledges their limitations, it's a good sign if they can refer you to a specialized professional who can handle the specific repair. This shows that they prioritize your vehicle's needs above their own business interests, ensuring that you receive the best possible service, even if it means sending you elsewhere. In summation, being able to determine if your mechanic is honest is crucial for maintaining a positive and trustworthy relationship with your auto service provider. By being aware of these 15 key indicators, you can confidently assess the integrity of your mechanic and ensure that you are receiving reliable and fair service for your vehicle. Remember to prioritize open communication, ask questions, and seek out recommendations to establish a long-term partnership with a reputable and honest mechanic. By staying informed and observant, you can make informed decisions about your vehicle's maintenance and repairs, ultimately leading to a more positive and stress-free automotive experience. Thanks for exploring the comprehensive list of signs that define an honest mechanic in Part 2. By recognizing these traits, you're better equipped to choose a mechanic who values integrity and reliability. Keep an eye out for more valuable car care insights. Drive safe, and remember, a trustworthy mechanic is a true asset. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.